Hi, my name is ARIFAH binti JEFRIDDIN and my metric number is 98242. In this video, I would like to share what I have learned from the course Cognition and Learning. For me, learning means understanding new things, changing our thinking, and improving ourselves through experience and reflection. Learning is not just about getting information, it's about how we think, remember, and use the knowledge in real life. Learning is closely connected to cognition, which includes things like paying attention, understanding, and solving problems. Memory helps us keep the bring back information when we need it. Thinking helps us understand, make decisions, and solve problems. All these processes, attention, memory, and thinking works together. Attention helps us focus, memory store the information, and thinking helps us use to in smart ways. Next, how cognitive processes help learning is. I find it very interesting how these processes affect how we learn. For example, when I focus in class, I choose what information goes into my short-term memory. If I repeat it or connect it with what I already know, it goes into my long-term memory. This process is called encoding. Thinking also helped me understand better, especially when I solve problems or talk about ideas with others. I have learned that I remember things better when I am active in learning. Just reading or listening is not enough. I need to think deeply and get involved. For the reflection, this course has taught me many useful ideas. One of the most important is metacognition, which means thinking about how I learn. It taught me to plan, check, and improve my learning methods. I also learned about cognitive load theory, which showed me that too much information at once can confuse my brain. So now I try to bring information into a smaller part. Another concept I like is self-regulated learning. It also helped me to understand how to set goals, manage my time, and keep myself motivated. This concept helped me feel more in control of my own learning. For personal use and future plan, these ideas are not just for class. I use them in my real study habits too. Now I take time to reflect on what works best for me. For example, I use mind maps to organize my notes and I take breaks to avoid stress. I also track my progress and set small learning goals. In the future, I can use it to keep using these strategies. Whether I am studying for exam or working in a group, knowing how my brain works helps me learn better. I have learned what studying is not just about working hard, it's also about using the right strategy. In conclusion, I believe learning is a process that uses our thinking, memory, and attention. This course has helped me understand how I learn and how to improve my learning. Now I feel more confident and ready to learn better in the future. That's all from me. Thank you.